Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 2021 and I will show you how we can apply tempered glass on this smartphone. So at first, you have to simply get the good lighting condition because you have to see all mess that you have on your screen. As you can see in my case, I can find fingerprints and pieces of dust. So we have to remove it. Right now you have to open the box with the tempered glass. That's glass itself. Inside we'll also find two wipes. I have to get rid of them from this box. Okay, it just stick right here. So when you have these wipes, you have to open the wet one at the first. And unfortunately this one comes dry, so how we can fix it? You have to use the window cleaner, so give me a minute. Okay, so there it is. You have to apply this cleaner a little bit. And right now you are able to remove fingerprints and other stuff. Next, when you finish, you have to open the dry wipe. So you have to remove these wet marks. They are here after the wet cleaning. After a few moves, we finally make it. So, next step, you have to grab your tempered glass, remove this sticker, and with this sticker, you will remove the foil that is attached right here. So do it slowly. Grab your tempered glass like that in your 4 fingers, and then try to put it correctly for the both edges and keep holding the bottom part. You have to put the upper section of the tempered glass on your screen and try to put it correctly for the both edges. Okay, so I think that right now it looks good for me, so I'm gonna put my finger right here, hold, and then I'm gonna put the bottom part. Then slide with your finger, and as you can see, there it is. Right now the glass is on the screen. Right now we are going to remove this glue marks. They are right here. And how you can make it? You have to grab this dry wipe and then just press on them. They will disappear. So do it for the whole screen. Okay, and right now it's finished. So we can turn on the screen and just take a look. There's no any problem with the touch interaction. So you don't have to be afraid of applying this kind of the protection on your Redmi Note 8 2021. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.